Hello, welcome back to Cesim simulation game, free winning guaranteed to have full tips to get top results. You can check the other video for the own top 10 winning tips. This video gives the details step-by-step guide for round 1 and round 3. Winning tip number 3 and 4, check the market report. Unit we sold last round, and check the market report to see the unit we sold last round and prices, and check the market outlook, check the growth rate, check the market outlook growth rate. I show you the detail now. So before we set decision for any round, we check the result, check the financial statement, and now we check the market report. When you check the market report, we can see the unit we sold of each round here, and then we see the price for the top selling product, and also we see the number of unit we sold at that price, and also here you see the price of top selling companies, and also the number of units we sold at that, and then you can set the price and calculate the sales forecast for the current round. Check the market growth outlook. I show you now. We click on the decision and the market outlook. Here we can see here the market potential increase, and then we see the demand increase for each market, so we can calculate forecast the demand that we can sell for each product here, right? And look to the right, you see the growth of each market. So in round 1, 2, 3, 4, we can focus on the two first product, combustion here and hybrid in this case. And from round 4 we plan to launch Type 3 here, electric in the China market, and also we can start you see that hydrogen from round 5 here, right? Okay, to the end. Depends on how many rounds you have, you can adjust the strategy. Again, do not copy the number. Use the strategy and understand what decision you are setting, right? If you have any questions, send the email to Cesim help2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.